Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you the how to crop and resize images using ImageMagick library inside Node.js. You can also do it inside the command line as well. ImageMagick is basically a command line library as well. If you just search on Google ImageMagick, they have its own official website imagemagick.org. They also offer a command line tool as well. You can simply install it. It's an image processing library npm i-g. You need to for Windows you need to download this, so simply go to imagemagick.org and download the Windows releases out there. It is a cross-platform software available for Linux, Mac, and also for Windows as well. So you need to set up ImageMagick. So after setting up, you can basically execute magic. Just write magic here and your command will be successful. So now to crop the image, we will use this command right here. So we have this file available to us. If I see, you just see, I will take profile.jpg as an example to crop the image. So this is my original image, original size. I need to crop this image. So I will simply say magic followed by a profile.jpg, the input file name, and then we will simply use the flag which is dash crop. So this is the flag that we will use, magic followed by the input file name which is profile.jpg, and then we will use this flag which is dash crop. After that we will provide the dimensions. So let's suppose I want to resize or crop this image to 600 by 600, and then I plus the top position and the left position. So top position I will say 100 and the left position will be 100. This is the formula. This is the width and height 600 by 600, and this is the top position and the left position. And then you specify the output file name, output.jpg. So as I execute this command, you will basically see a file will be created, output.jpg. If I open this file, you will see the image is successfully cropped right here. This is my original image, and now this is the cropped and resized image. You will have removed the unwanted portions in the image, and we have got the result right here. And we can even programmatically use this in Node.js using child process module. I will show this process to you step by step. Basically here, for executing this, we need to extract the execute method from the child process module, which is a built-in module in Node.js. After requiring it, we just need to tell Node.js where is the input file. So it is present inside the same directory, profile.jpg, and output file. Let me name this as output.jpg. So then we just need to execute the same command. We will put the dimensions here, left 100, top 100, and the width and height to be 600. And then we will use this execute method. So we will execute the same command here in backtick symbol. So the command is really simple. We will build out the command here. We'll write this magic followed by the input file name. We will use this dynamic input file, and then followed by the dash crop flag, and then followed by the width that we have cross height, and then we will plus the top position and the left position like this. So this is a command ready, and now we can simply pass this command to this function execute. So this return a callback function with the error and the standard output and standard error. So right here we can console log a message after this command is successful that image cropped successfully. So now if I try to execute this file, guys, here we just need to also pass after this output file. So wherever you need to create the file, so output file. So now this is successful. I think I can delete this, execute this once again, node index.js. You will see image cropped successfully, got the message, and we have got the file here, output.jpg. I think there is some kind of mistake happened. Plus left position plus top. Oh, sorry, we put wrong here. 6 is not there, so just remove it and let me try this once again. Open that and now you will see your cropped image. You can change these values right here, guys. Let's suppose I want the width to be 100 and once again run this. So the width will be reduced to 100. You will see very low width. So you can easily crop the images by changing these values: left, top, width, height. So this is the ImageMagick library used to actually resize and crop images in Node.js. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.